Okay, so this is day 8 for math. Your guys' first problem is the cider versus juice. So you guys have A, B, C, D, and E to work on. I'm going to do a few of them with you guys just to get you guys started. So the price of a gallon of apple cider is $7. The price of 8 4 23/100 ounce juice boxes is $2.39. So those are two prices that we're talking about. So I would start by writing these down. So your cider is price. So we have $7 per 1 gallon. Okay, so this is 1 gallon. Your juice, this is the juice, okay? I'll put these in squares so they don't look like talking about fractions. So your juice is $2.39 for, you have 8 juice boxes. Each juice box is 4.23 ounces, okay? So let's write these down, label them, so we know the two different prices we're talking about. So suppose the juice was packaged like the cider. What is the cost per gallon of juice? Okay, well, up here, it tells us that 128 ounces is 1 gallon. So we want to find out the price of the juice if it was packaged like a gallon, which is 128 ounces. So first, let's find out the unit rate for your juice boxes. So let's do 8. We'll rewrite this. So we have $2.39 over, and then let's multiply this out and find out how many ounces total are the juice boxes. 8 times 4.23 would be 3.84 ounces. Okay, so this would be the price per ounce. So let's find out how much 1 ounce is going to cost. So we're going to divide that. 2.39 divided by our ounces. This is going to be, we'll round it, that's 7 cents over 1 ounce, okay? So I found my price per ounce. I need the price per gallon. And how many ounces are in a gallon? 128. So we're going to multiply by 128. We're going to multiply by 128. Okay, and that's going to give you your price. It's going to give you your price. You're going to multiply 7 cents times 128. You're going to get your price, and that's going to be for 128 ounces, okay, which is the same as 1 gallon. So this will be your price per gallon. That's for A. So for B, suppose your cider was packaged like the juice. So we kind of need to do the same thing, but we need to do it for the cider. So let's see, our cider was, I got another piece of paper. Our cider, we said, was $7 over 1 gallon. So they want us to find the price of the cider if it was packaged like this, in 8 4.23 ounce boxes of cider. So you guys will do the same thing. Find the price per ounce. Okay. How many ounces are in a gallon? It tells you up here. 128 ounces in a gallon. So $7 over 128 ounces. Okay, we're going to divide $7 divided by 128 ounces. That's going to give me my price per 1 ounce. And if you guys divide that, $7 divided by 128 ounces, we're going to get 5 cents for every 1 ounce. Okay, well, we need to figure out the cost if it was packaged in 8 4.23 ounce boxes. Okay, and in this problem that we just did, we saw that 8 of those juice boxes are a total of 33.84 ounces. So we need to take our, this is your rate. I'm gonna rewrite it. I'm just gonna rewrite this down here so I have more room. This is your 5 cents for every 1 ounce. Okay, and again, you need it packaged in this size. 8 of this size boxes. And what are those total ounces? They're right here. Okay, so I need to multiply this by that 33.84, multiply this by 33.84, and that's going to give you your price for the 33.84 ounces, which are the juice box sizes. 8 of the 4.23 ounces. Okay, these are the size of the juice boxes, and there's 8 of them, and 33.84 is the total ounces. So once you guys multiply your 5 cents to 33.84, it's going to give you your answer right here. That's going to be the price of your cider if your cider was packaged in these small juice boxes. Okay, so that's for B. So for C, Peter wants to have at least a gallon of either cider or juice. So you guys need to find out which product is the better deal. Okay, and how are you going to do that? Well, let's go back to your work, okay? You found for the juice, this was your unit rate for the juice. Okay, that's for A. And then when we did B for the cider, this was our unit rate for the cider. So for C, which one's going to be the better deal? Okay, find the better unit rate. You guys already did all the work. You just need to go back and look for it. So then D, what are the unit rates that you use for this one? Again, you guys already did all this work. Just go back and look at your answers, okay? And then E, what other unit rates could you guys have used to solve the problem? Okay, so this first problem, it is kind of a long one. So if you guys need to pause the video, go back and continue working, I would do that. Again, if you guys have any questions, you guys can email me. Your next one, another multiple representations. This time they're giving you guys the words. So they're telling you that the meat cost $8 per pound. Okay, so pound, these would be your X values, these would be your Y values. Okay, so create a table, X, Y. So per pound, so this would be 1 pound is going to be $8. Okay, and you guys can do another 2 or 3 points for X and then find your Y values. Graph it, give me your equation, okay, and then your rate. This next one says slope. This really means, your slope really means you guys are really going to go down and find your constant, okay? which is your k value, and we say that is y divided by x. Okay, here's your data. You're going to graph it and then find the slope. And the slope is your constant. Your slope is your rate of change. You guys have 4 of those. And your last one, you guys have a negative 30 divided by 1.5. Okay, again, pick a strategy. You guys can use models or visuals. Write a story about it. Give me a few sentences. How could you explain this? Okay, and then how do we know our answer is correct? So that's it for day 8. Again, if you guys have questions, send me an email. Get a hold of me on Parent Square. Thank you.